Well, guys, we're about to cut this skeleton material. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you the simplest way you can cut a skeleton material without taking your time. You mark out 2 inches. You mark out 3 inches. Let me go with 3 inches. This is your baseline. Hope you can see everything clear. Then you mark out your length. The length I'm working with I'm working with length at 33 and a half. Then after that, you mark out your shoulder line, which is I'm going with the measurement of 17. Which is 8.5. Then I'll add a half inch. I will make approximate of 9 inches. I'll be adding half inch. As you can see, hope you can see everything well. 9 inches. Then I'll come down with 8 inches. Armhole measurement. You roll the line straight. The chest measurement I'm working with is 43. 43 divided by 2 will give you 21 and a half. 21 and a half divided by 2 will give you 10 point. I'll make it approximate 11 inches. 11 inches. I'll mark out 11 inches all through. Hope you can see everything well. 11 inches. Then the opening. I'm going with the opening of 8 inches. Which I did. Then I'll use my hip curve to give it a shape. Remember, this line is my allowance. I'm adding 1.5 inch allowance. 1.5 inch allowance. Eight inches from the armhole. You mark out 4 inches. Divide by 2. You mark out 4 inches. Then you take this line like this. Half inch below the line that you mark. Let's cross check our measurement. Okay, guys, let's cut the cloth now. Remember to cross check your work. You are working with the length of 33 and a half. As you can see, 33 and a half. Cross check your work before cutting. Do not make this mistake. Cross check your work before cutting. Let's go there. So as you can see, I'm arranging the front so I can cut the back. Take your time and arrange the clothes before cutting the back. Take your time. Take your. Then I'll give 4 inches allowance for the neck for cutting of the neck. See 4 inches all through. 4 inches all through. You can use 3.5. You can use three depending on the person that you are that has the clothes. For my own measurement, I'm using 4 inches. Please, for your information, if you want to cut this line, please do not stop it here. Just give extra measurement before cutting it down. So you take the front down. Hope you can see the allowance we left here. This is for the cutting of the falling of the senator. 4 inches allowance, as you can see. Then you cut. Now let's cut the neck. The neck we are working with, the neck I'm working with is a neck 17. So for the back side, I'll go with 2.5. I will go with 2.5, 2.5, 4.5. The neck will be a little bit loose. I don't want a tight neck. So that's why I'm going with 2.5, 4.5. Then let's cut. Then cross check your measurement. as you can see, 17. Let me trim it more. I don't want this neck to be tight. I want it to be free. Let's cut this sleeve length. Sleeve. We are working with the sleeve of 10 inches. So my folding part, I'll be taking out 3 inches. 3 inches. 3 inches all through. Then you mark out your. The sleeve length is 10 inches plus 1 inch extra allowance because I will still weave the cloth. Let's mark. Hope you can see what I'm marking. The round sleeve is 17.